Yeah, get off her. Get off her.
We got Mama out here.
You're a good mama, Abby. Look how much lighter she's getting, Shelly.
I know, she's actually changing colors.
She's turning silver.
She's getting a lot lighter. Oh!
Tighten her boobs.
They're all climbing all over. Oh, and she's up and running.
Let her get out of there, Kobe. Get out of there.
Watch out, buddy.
Let them play.
Ah!
Get him, Abby. Get him. Get him. Abby, get up. Get up. Don't let him suck on you. Run. Get him, Abby. Get him. Get him. Play with the puppies. Play with the puppies. Get him, girl.
One over
Get him.
here all
Get
by
him.
himself.
You playing with your puppies? Play with them puppies. Play with them.
She's playing games.
Get them puppies.
Dad, Abby's going faster than kangaroo.
She's playing.
Dad, I got something to say. Abby's going faster than kangaroo.
Yep, she's playing with the fox.
Like a kangaroo. Go Abby, like a kangaroo. Go like a kangaroo. Going like a kangaroo.
One of these that actually likes his mother. Got that one over there.
Going like a kangaroo. That's the one we're keeping. Daddy.
Look at her playing with him.
I know, she's having fun.
Dad, the one we're keeping is down here. Dad.
Look at her.
I know, Kobe.
The one we're keeping right there, teaching Abby.
Look at Abby playing with her pup.
She's having fun.
Puppies, oh, the puppies, oh, puppies. Puppies, I love you. Puppy! Come up now, I'm getting puppy one.
Just go up and tease them ones now. Hello, buddy.